Causes of female infertility. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain about the causes and symptoms of female infertility, and I am sure you all have many questions related to this, that what causes the infertility and how it appears. Firstly, causes of female infertility. There are a number of things that may be keeping you from getting pregnant. Number 1, damage to your fallopian tubes. These structures carry eggs from your ovaries, which produce eggs to the uterus where the baby develops. They can get damaged when scars form after pelvic infections, endometriosis and pelvic surgery. That can prevent sperm from reaching an egg in the tube. The egg and sperm meet in the tube. This is where the egg is fertilized and then move down to the uterus to implant. The causes of the blockage in the fallopian tubes may include pelvic inflammatory disease. This is an infection of the uterus and fallopian tubes because of chlamydia or other sexual infections. Pelvic tuberculosis. This is a major cause of tubal infertility. Number 2, polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS). PCOS affects approximately 6% of women. This condition develops when ovaries produce excessive amount of the male hormone testosterone, which lowers level of the female follicle stimulating hormone. If you have PCOS, your ovarian follicles are inhibited from releasing a mature egg, which causes the follicles to fill with fluid and become cysts. Without ovulation, progesterone production ceases while estrogen production continues. Symptoms of PCOS may include irregular menstrual periods, excessive weight gain, and hair growth and acne. Number 3, poor egg condition. Eggs that become damaged or develop chromosomal abnormalities cannot sustain a pregnancy. This problem is usually age-related as egg quality declines significantly in the late 30s and early 40s. Fertility begins to decline when women reach their mid-30s and sharply decline after their late 30s. At this stage of life, fewer eggs remain, fitness of the egg is diminishes, and ovaries' ability to release egg is reduced. Risk of abnormalities in chromosomes increases, raising the risk of miscarriage or birth defects. Number 4, endometriosis. Endometriosis can cause fertility issues and is a condition in which the tissue that lines the uterus develops outside the uterus, usually on other reproductive organs inside the pelvis or in the abdominal cavity. Each month, this misplaced tissue responds to the bleeding, which can cause tissue and inflammation that affects how the reproductive organ function. Number 5, ovulation disorders. Ovulation disorders means that women ovulate occasionally or not at all. Female infertility can be caused due to the regulation of reproductive hormones by the hypothalamus or the pituitary gland, or problems in the ovary. Hypothalamic dysfunction, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone are the two main hormones responsible for stimulating ovulation every month. Excess physical and or emotional stress can disturb the production of these hormones and affect ovulation in general. The most common signs are irregularity or absence of a couple of menstrual periods. Premature ovarian failure. This disorder is also known as primary ovarian insufficiency, and it is normally caused by an autoimmune response or by the loss of eggs from the ovary. In other words, the ovary doesn't produce egg anymore, and that lower the production of the estrogen hormone in women under the age of 40. Number 6, hormonal problems. You may not be getting pregnant because your body is not going through the usual hormone changes that lead to the release of an egg from the ovary and the thickening of the lining of the uterus. Number 7, cervical issues. The cervical issues can affect the fertility by interfering with the implantation or increasing the risk of the miscarriage. Endometriosis inflammation. This can disrupt the inflammation inside the uterus, a narrowing of the cervix. This can be caused due to inherited damage to the cervix. Benign polyps or tumors. These are common in the uterus. Some can interfere with the implantation, affect fertility due to a blockage in the fallopian tube. Uterine abnormalities. These abnormalities can be seen as an abnormally shaped uterus that causes problem getting or staying pregnant. Number 8, uterine trouble. You may have polyps and fibroids that interfere with getting pregnant. Uterine polyps occur when too many cells grow in the endometrium, the lining of the uterus. Fibroids grow in the wall of the uterus Other abnormalities of the uterus can also interfere. Number 9. Sexually transmitted infections are the leading preventable cause of infertility by causing 70% of pelvic inflammatory diseases responsible for tubal damage. Low fertility is becoming more common worldwide, particularly in many urban settings where women are planning their first babies at older ages. Number 10. Infrequent menstrual periods. When a woman has regular menstrual periods, defined as regular cycles occurring every 21 to 35 days, this almost always indicates that she ovulates regularly. Ovulation of the egg occurs approximately 2 weeks before the start of the next period. If a woman has cycles at interval of greater than 35 days, it may indicate that she is not ovulating an egg predictably or even at all. Ovulation of the egg is essential for pregnancy. Therefore, we recommend an evaluation if menstrual cycles are frequent or irregular in a couple attempting pregnancy. Number 11. Female age of 35 years or older. For unclear reasons, egg number decreases at a rapid rate as women age. Furthermore, as aging occurs, egg quality or the likelihood of an egg being genetically normal decreases. Therefore, we recommend a fertility evaluation if a couple has been attempting pregnancy for 6 months or more when the woman is 35 years of age or older. Number 12. Lack of regular sex. Women need to have regular sexual intercourse during their most fertile time. Number 13. Problem with your partner's sperm. In normal situation, this is not a problem unless your partner has a history of illness or surgery that affects the quality and quantity of their sperm. Doctor can run some tests to check and evaluate the health of your partner's sperm. Number 14. Chronic infections. Chronic infections in the cervix and surgical treatment of cervical lesions associated with human papillomavirus infection can also reduce the amount and quality of cervical mucus. Problem with this sticky or slippery substance that collects on the cervix and in the vagina can make it difficult for women to get pregnant. Number 15. Implantation failure. Implantation failure refers to the failure of a fertilized egg to implant in the uterine wall to begin pregnancy, while the specific cause of implantation failure are often unknown. So viewers, all these problems are in the female infertility, but you don't need to be worried about it. Yes, I have a good news for you. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer courses by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer courses is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer courses cure both male and female diseases: azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, puzzle infection, hormone level, spermology in males, endometriosis, PCOS, ovarian cancer, adenomyosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, fallopian tube obstruction, uterine fibroids, amenorrhea, premature ovarian failure, increase hormone imbalance, increase HGH hormone level, maintain follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone in females, so they become fertile. Taseer courses is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Special impacts: Taseer courses has some special herbals. Those quality is to achieve sexually satisfying and sexual desire, regular periods, sexual dysfunction, sex after menopause, regular, no orgasm problem, increase sex drive, reduce painful intercourse, post-menopausal vaginal dryness, treated with these herbs. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. Precautions: during the treatment you should follow these precautions for better result of treatment. Don't go for sex during the treatment. Use fish, eggs, milk, butter, honey, dates, lemon, garlic, pumpkin, radish, carrot and dry fruits in your diet. Try to eat meat on daily basis. Abstain from the rice, oily foods, potatoes, bakery foods and junk food. Limit or abstain from alcohol and smoking. Keep the weight off. Stay clear of electronics. So viewers, I have briefly explained female infertility in my video. If you or your known person have this problem, so you can visit to our clinic or can call us in our office timing, which is 9 AM to 8 PM, and discuss your problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.